The world has shifted very quickly from Web 1 to 2, now 3.0. So in this video I will talk about कि Web 3.0 है क्या और उसके कौन से ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट हैं कि जिसमें आप वेल इन टाइम इन्वेस्ट करके द सेम लाइक मेटावर्स, NFTs, डी ऐप एप्लीकेशन में जिसने गेन किया था, यू कैन स्टिल get into this train before the time. So welcome to my channel Dr. Trend. I am Dr. Z. So before I going into Web 3.0, I have to take you back to the Web 1.0 कि ये actually चीज़ क्या है. So Web 1.0 is begin in 1989 to 2005. So basically it was a static web in early 90s, so offering access to limited information with a little or no user interaction. Web 1.0 did not have algorithm to sift internet pages. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि for example अगर आपकी ये एक वेबसाइट है, okay, so you go there on the website, you only read the information there. Read information के बाद वहाँ पे ये था कि users were consumers. They are just using that one. There were no ads. There were no other further details was there. Their information was very much saved. It was just like a library. You just go open the book, read it, and get back there. That's all. Then the world changed into 2.0. 2.0 में ये हुआ कि जो भी 2005 से लेके अभी तक करंटली बहुत से ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म है, मेजॉरिटी जो है वो इंटरनेट 2.0 पे चल रही है. सोशल वेब एरा in which internet a lot more interactive. JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, etc. YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia are the top of the examples. So इसमें कुछ अलार्मिंग चीज़ें भी हैं, कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें भी हैं. हुआ ये कि आप किसी भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाते हैं, डेफिनेटली ऑन द इंटरनेट लाइक अ सोशल मीडिया, फ्रॉम देयर यू मेक योर अकाउंट देयर, यू गिव योर इन्फॉर्मेशन देयर, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंग टू डैट वो आपको डिफरेंट इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, एंड देन दे इंटरेक्ट फ्रॉम बोथ sides, active and passively, and then they generate the money. How they generate the money, which is very scary, but reality is reality. वो आपका डाटा गैदर करते हैं. डाटा गैदर करने के बाद उसी गैदरिंग डाटा के मुताबिक जो आपके इंटरेस्ट होते हैं, दे ब्रिंग द एड्स फॉर यू ऑन सच पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. ना फॉर एग्जांपल, a scary example, the Web 2.0 age of targeted advertising and lack of privacy. अब होता इस तरह के, for example, on any social media, on a Facebook or somewhere, you have put a picture or your event in which you got married or you are in a relationship with someone. Or after that, you will start getting the information about the parenting or the pregnancy and all those stuff. अब ये information कैसे है? You didn't said anything on the internet, but your partner actually, she posted there that she's pregnant, and then they congrats lady, let's see her man show some ads, और उसके मुताबिक उस information को leak करके they have integrated a more information about her, about you, and then they started showing the advertisement as a targeted population. This is very, very scary because the data breach is there. They are using your information, your interest, and bringing back the advertisement companies to show you the same sort of advertisement. Like for example, if I am in crypto or I am in fitness, I will not go into such details like swimming or maybe some parasailing or all those stuff because वो मेरा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. So the most of the time if you have noticed कि आपको वही ads नज़र आ रहे होते हैं कि जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट होता है. How they do is by breaching into your privacy and collecting your personal data. Now the era has changed. Now the 3.0 is come, has already came there. So in this Web 3.0 is the next stage of the web evolution that would make the internet more intelligent, or the process information with near human like intelligence, which is known as AI, artificial intelligence, through the power of AI system that could run smart programs to assist users. According to the Wikipedia definition, Web3 is internet that is decentralized and based on peer-to-peer technologies such as public blockchain. So अगर on a broader picture आप देखें, Web 1.0 is gone, it's totally finished now. अगर 2.0 और 3.0 में main difference आप ये देखें तो अगर ये Web 2.0 ये है, you are the product, okay, they are using you as the product, which is scary because they are gathering your information, they are gathering your interest, they are gathering your privacy, and then bringing all those back to use you as a product. But in the Web 3.0, which is a blockchain system in which you become the owner of that thing, आपको कोई भी as a product use नहीं करेगा, बल्कि आप जो इंटरनेट में चीज़ें हैं उनको एज ए प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करेंगे. सो मोर इनटू वेब 3.0 इज कि कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है लाइक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है या जैसे भी है, इट विल बी लाइक यू आर शेयर होल्डर इन डेट. डाउस का अगर आपको पता हो, इट डिसेंट्रलाइज ऑटोनोमस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. उसी के अंदर कोई सीईओ नहीं होगा, कोई प्रेसिडेंट नहीं होगा, कोई सेंसरशिप जैसी चीज़ें नहीं होती. यू विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल for your own information, for your own data and all those things. There are a few details that we need to keep in the mind when looking into the Web 3.0 tech. Most of the people, they think it's a new technology. Actually, it's not. Jeffrey Zeldman, one of the earliest development of Web 1.0, 2.0 applications, had written a blog post putting his support behind Web 3.0 back in 2006. So basically, the crypto, blockchain, Web 3.0, iska spark jo hai, it was there more than a decade before. Web 3.0 applications are digest large-scale information, turns into the factual knowledge and useful execution for the user. Some of the companies they are building or have products that they have transforming into Internet 3.0 application like Amazon, Apple and Google, which is very, very big information. Two examples of the application that utilize Web 3.0 technologies are Siri and Wolfram Alpha. If you want further, you can go and read on the Wikipedia about this thing. Very interesting एक information है जो आपके साथ मैं यूज़ करना चाहता हूँ. एक ट्वीट की सैम अल्टमैन ने, जिसके अंदर एलन मस्क ने रिप्लाई किया, Web3 sounds like BS. BS means bullshit. So the more digging into this story behind, because Elon Musk definitely he is the influencer. जो इस बारे में बात कर जाता है वही आगे आ जाता है. So basically इसकी हिस्ट्री ये कि एलन मस्क का एक भाई था जिसको इसने टेस्ला के शेयर्स दिए थे, एंड ही सोल्ड आउट ऑल दोज शेयर्स, एंड विद दोज with that price, actually with that money, he opened a kitchen or a restaurant chain all over the world, and is the same brother now. He is working into Web 3.0. So that's why इनकी तब से they are not in a good terms, not in a relationship like a brothers. So he actually hinted out their Web3 sounds like a bullshit because he's against his brother. Furthermore, कि क्या Web 3.0 आपको क्या advantages देगा 2.0 के? It improves the data security, scalability and privacy beyond what is possible traditional Web 2.0 platform. That is very, very true, because you will not the product anymore. You will become the owner of those things. Some legal academies express concern over the difficulty of regulatory, जिसमें एक cyber crime, online harassment, hate speech, child abuse images. Yes, there are some concerns, because आपका सिर्फ इसमें एक internet address होता है, जिस address के through you will be interacting on the internet, blockchain, privacy, all those data security, and the concern is there. These things will be elevated there. Some critics have raised concern about the environmental impact of the cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Yes, but that's why there is another important point कि आने वाले टाइम पे जो प्राइवेसी प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं ये हाइप क्रिएट करेंगे, because now we are going in the cryptocurrency, we are going from one part to another like जो आपके DeFi एप्लीकेशन आए, NFTs, गेमिंग DeFi, मेटावर्स के बाद आने वाला टाइम अभी ZK रोलअप का है. इसके बाद या मे बी along with the ZK rollup we will see the Web3 projects booming up, which we have seen in this market even, और इसके बाद फिर प्राइवेसी प्रोजेक्ट्स जो हैं वो हाइप क्रिएट करेंगे. So going on the coinmarketcap.com, अगर आप इनका जो एक मेन पेज है उसको ओपन करें और उसके बाद आप इंडस्ट्री देख रहे हैं, यू क्लिक ऑन द इंडस्ट्री के बाद यू जस्ट राइट हियर Web3. सो Web3 विल कम, और इसके बाद ये फिल्टर करके आपको जितने भी Web3 के प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं दे विल शो द Web3 प्रोजेक्ट्स. ओके, on the top of the list in the web projects now still there are DApp. Okay, now the list जो मुझे भी मिल गई है ये सारे Web3 projects की हैं जो in and out उसमें काम कर रहे हैं. So on the top of the list we can see the Polkadot is there. That's why again and again I'm emphasizing on such projects के जिसमें parachain auction, all those things are there. So Polkadot is on the top of the list because of the market cap definitely. Then the second on the list is the Chainlink. Filecoin is again, अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता, ये ऑनलाइन डेटा स्टोरेज ब्लॉकचेन पे है, which was the pioneer project in its own theme. So definitely it's again good projects. And then the Theta is again like a YouTube in which you will make your own videos and you will be your own owner rather than being a product. And the BitTorrent, as you know, इसने भी hype create की, और recently the price increased because of the Web 3.0. They have some good news going on. So going down on this list, you will see a lot of other projects like Audius. Audius is again the for the artist, for their music and all those things. It's a very good project. Again, what they are giving is Web 3.0 thing. SiaCoin, again, it's a good project. And StorageJ, again, Ocean Protocol, which is on the NFTs, again, it's a good project. So moving on down on the list, you can see then the Ethereum name service, you saw it hyped. ये आपके Ethereum के जो wallet address है उसको ये आपका नाम दे देगा, and then they charge you yearly some fee. Random token, I have spoken about this thing. It has a collaboration with the Apple, most probably in the metaverse. So you have to look into such projects there. Then going down on the list, there is a Torum, Polka Bridge, then Kilt protocol. So all that, there is a huge list down there. So the Kilt protocol I was talking about, the metaverse index is there. So the point what I'm emphasizing here is this, that Web 3.0 is still upcoming hype. So you go on the on this coinmarketcap.com. अगर आप इसमें फिल्टर करके इसी तरह इनके प्रोजेक्ट्स को देखें और वो प्रोजेक्ट्स देखें जो अभी तक पंप नहीं हुए, जिनकी मार्केट कैप कंपैरेटिवली कम है, एंड यू कैन गेट होल्ड ऑन दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स वेल इन टाइम, ताकि आने वाले टाइम पे जैसे मेटावर्स के प्रोजेक्ट्स ने हाइप क्रिएट की, आई एम लुकिंग इनटू वेब 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स के ये भी एक ऐसे ही हाइप कंट्रोल करेंगे. सो अगेन द मैसेज इन दिस वीडियो आई वांट टू गिव यू इज वेब 3.0 एंड द ZK रोल अप. डोंट स्लीप ऑन दीज प्रोजेक्ट्स, बिकॉज आने वाले टाइम पे ये ऐसे एकदम हाइप क्रिएट करेंगे. आई थिंक मोर लाइकली जैसे ही मार्केट थोड़ी सी स्टेबल होगी, वी विल गो इनटू द नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड देन वी कैन सी द गुड पिकअप on such projects, which the example or a glimpse we have already seen on BitTorrent BTT coin. So anyways, so if you like the content of the video, please like the video because it's give me encouragement to bring more and more such project for you people. Subscribe to my channel, switch on the subscription button on. Take care of yourself till the next video. Love, peace and care.